if you're 35 right now and you wait 10 years to buy life insurance, you're going to pay roughly twice as much per month for the same coverage. Every single year you delay, the price goes up. This is the one decision about life insurance that most people get wrong, and it costs them thousands of dollars. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much coverage you need and why waiting is actually expensive. Here's the thing about term life insurance. The insurance industry has made it sound way more complicated than it is. You pay a fixed monthly premium. If you die during the term, your family gets a lump sum, tax-free. That's the whole product. No cash value sitting around, no fees eating into some savings account, no complexity. You're buying one thing, pure death benefit. That simplicity is why it's affordable. Whole life, that's bundled with an investment component that costs way more and returns way less than if you just invested on your own. Let me give you actual numbers. A healthy 35-year-old non-smoker in the Twin Cities area can get $500,000 of coverage for 20 years at around $30 to $38 a month. $1 million, $48 to $68 per month. Same person at 45. You're looking at $65 to $90 a month for that 500,000. The pricing depends on your health history, your family history, tobacco use, all that matters. But here's the key: buy sooner. The math gets worse every year you wait. 2 ways to figure out how much you actually need. First, the simple one: 10 to 12 times your annual income. $100,000 household, get $1 million to 1.2 in coverage. That gives your family roughly 10 years of income replacement. Second way, and this is more accurate, use the dime method. D is debt. Everything except your mortgage. I is income replacement, your yearly salary times the number of years your family needs support. M is mortgage balance. E is education costs. Add those 4 numbers. That's your real coverage number. I see this all the time in my agency. People guess too low because they don't account for all 4 categories. The number one thing I see clients get wrong: they wait because they think they'll buy it later when they have more money or when life settles down. That's backward. You don't have more money later. You're older later. A guy I worked with in Fridley last year waited from 32 to 42 to get coverage because he thought premiums would come down. They didn't. His rate roughly doubled. He paid for that decision every single month for the next 20 years. Don't be that person. Buy it now while you're young and healthy. Here's what you do next. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We can get you a quote in about 3 minutes. Seriously, no application, no medical exam on a simple quote. Just a quick conversation. You can also use the link in the description to request a free quote online. We're Nelson and Associates in Fridley, Minnesota, and